ready to unlock AI's full potential and transform your outputs from average to exceptional. It all comes down to one crucial skill: the art of crafting powerful prompts. Think of it as giving your AI a perfect roadmap. By mastering this, you're not just asking a question. You're directing a powerful tool to deliver precisely what you need, turning good results into client-ready masterpieces. So, how do you build the perfect prompt? It boils down to 5 key elements: role, task, context, format, and tone. Mastering these will fundamentally change how you interact with any AI. First, let's talk about role. Before you even ask your question, tell the AI who it should be. Are you talking to a seasoned marketing expert, a professional scriptwriter, or a data analyst? Defining the persona sets the stage for the kind of expertise and perspective you want in the response. For example, telling it to act as a senior copywriter will yield vastly different results than just asking it to write some text. Next up is the task. This is where you get crystal clear about what you want the AI to do. Be specific and direct. Instead of a vague request like write about marketing, specify the objective. Draft a 3-part email sequence to nurture new leads. A clearly defined task eliminates guesswork and focuses the AI on a tangible goal, ensuring the output is actionable and relevant. Now, let's add context. This is the background information, the crucial details that the AI needs to understand the bigger picture. Include target audience demographics, brand values, key challenges, or any relevant data. Providing this context is like giving the AI behind-the-scenes tour, allowing it to generate a response that is not just accurate, but also deeply aligned with your specific situation. Then, we have format. How do you want the information presented? Don't leave it to chance. Specify the structure you need, whether it's a bulleted list, a table, a JSON file, or a full-length article with headings and subheadings. Dictating the format ensures the output is organized, easy to digest, and ready to be used exactly where you need it, saving you valuable editing time. Finally, set the tone. The same information can be delivered in countless ways. Do you need it to be professional and formal, witty and engaging, or empathetic and supportive? Clearly stating the desired tone ensures the AI's language and style match your brand's voice and connect effectively with your intended audience, making the message resonate. By weaving together these 5 elements: role, task, context, format, and tone, you elevate your AI interactions from simple queries to strategic commands. You stop being a passive user and become an expert director, guiding the AI to produce exceptional, high-quality work every single time. Start implementing this framework today and witness the dramatic transformation in your AI-generated results.